Hey guys, I'm here with Kai and we're gonna make a vegetarian meal. And a lot of people have asked Kai to make this thing too, so we're doing it. Alright Kai, get the ingredients.
You get the ingredients.
It's your video, Kai.
It's your idea.
You get the ingredients, Kai.
Welcome to my fridge. We got some
vegan cheese. Oh my god, soulmates, we said it at the same time. We gotta get the frozen patties, which are downstairs. You don't have to be a ninja just because we're filming.
Like every time, actually.
That seems dangerous. All right, what do we have in the freezer?
Lots of things.
Yeah?
Food.
I think that the burgers are gonna.
Any left?
Yeah, we do. We got a handful because these are so good, and I hope everybody watching this tries these because these are awesome. Nope. 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 What bastard ate all our burgers? I think I saw them, but then I ate them. And that's why I'm remembering seeing them, because I ate them. I ate one. Well, now what, SpongeBob? But we have these. They're gourmet and they're corn.
The other ones are better.
Okay, well, we also have one upstairs.
Well, I'm not even hungry, so let's just make one.
Okay, we'll just make one. All right, so we're coming back from pointlessness.
I don't walk all the way up the stairs.
I see it, I see it, I don't see it. When you plan for a video and you don't even establish the proper ingredient, that's how good these burgers are. We eat them all. Well, I'm gonna find my damn, ooh, I think that's it. Is that it? Oh my god. Oh, it's sausage. It's the Beyond Sausage. Is that it? Oh my god, I found it.
Burger.
You're gonna make me burger and fries.
I'm doing this?
Yeah.
I don't want to.
It's your channel.
It's your idea.
Yeah, but it's your channel. Nobody wants to see me do anything on your channel.
Nobody wants to see me do anything on my channel.
Yeah, they do. They love you. Because you're Kai, the Lego ninja.
Oh yeah, I forgot that. No, you have to cook the burger because you did it perfect.
Oh, well, that's a process. All right, pull out a pan. All right.
Pan.
Right, now put it on the stove.
Shouldn't we be actually having some sort of structure to this video instead of just
Okay, so the structure is that I film Kai making food. Go ahead and put the pan. There you go. Wow. Let's do a cinematic little widescreen action on that one. Wow, look at that. Now put the oil on it. Oil's right over here, bud. That one, the second one. Yes. All right, we're gonna get that close up. That's good. And now you just take the Beyond Imagination Amazing Burger. And this is really important, guys. You really want to cook this right, because it took me a hot minute, and I served you up a disgustingly half-cooked burger once.
You did.
I'm so sorry about that. So what you need to do is put that on there. And right now it's on kind of a medium setting, and that's what it's supposed to be on because you're supposed to cook it slow. It's a very thick patty. It's a thick mama. As you can see, it's a very thick patty, and that requires us to be very, very gentle with it. Gotta heat it up slow like a frog.
Also, something you should know is it smells like cat food when you cook it, but it doesn't taste like cat food.
We probably should stop saying the cat food thing.
It's important because if people start cooking it and they're like, what the fuck, it smells like cat food, they're not gonna want to eat it.
Yeah, but when you say cat food, that makes them not even want to try it. And that
I said it smells
when
like
they've
cat
already bought it and it smells like cat food, they're like, well, I may as well try it. I already bought it.
You
But
know,
when you say cat food, they're never even gonna buy it.
I wouldn't feel that way.
Let's go ahead and get out a pan for the fries.
Well, let's preheat our oven.
Right? These would be 420. Hitler's birthday. No.
Blaze it.
You're not 12, okay?
12-year-olds smoke weed? And something Greg doesn't ever learn is to put foil on it so I don't have to wash 4,000 pans.
Laziness. I'm kidding. It's smart to use foil. All right, make sure that you drop the burger remains on the floor for Greg to later slip on. Whoa! Oh! Oh! That's right, I recycle. How about that? It's crazy.
We have crinkle cut fries
Crinkle
from
cut.
Costco.
Yep. Uncut, you could say.
No, they are cut. Crinkle cut. Or else it'd just be a whole potato.
Yeah, maybe season a little bit. Here's garlic.
You want garlic fries?
Did I hand you garlic? And here's Himalayan salt. Fun story about this rack. We bought it from Costco, and they said you have 5 years of free refills. Most of the stuff they gave you, you would never go through.
So we just ended up using the actual files.
They give you 5 years of Himalayan salt. That might be worth something. Anyway, I feel like this is cooking it too fast, so I'm gonna turn it. I just turned it down to that over here. You kind of wanted to just be like, bro, am I even cooking? Because that'll get all the way to the middle. All right, now to look at Kai's butt as he puts it in the. You can squat. It's okay. Alrighty, Roo. Now to throw this away, which Kai doesn't quite grasp the concept of. We're throwing something away, Kai. And now we wait. Oh yeah, oh, I almost burned myself. Oh yeah. Alrighty, Roo. I made it a bit black on one side, but the other side's cooked perfectly. It's actually a happy accident. I didn't mean to make it black, but I also like my stuff cooked extra well done. I never liked the blood, even though there is no blood. It can be a little pink, and I don't want pink. 0 in the pink.
Now we have to get out some buns. Do we still have buns?
You have a couple nice ones.
Oh. That was a sexual reference.
Yeah.
Got it, okay.
Yeah, it's hitting on you.
Sorry, it took me a second. These are pretzel hamburger buns. I didn't know that until right now.
You didn't know that?
No.
Look at the design.
I just thought they were fancy.
Oh, fancy. I'm gonna put on a bunch of vegan cheese. A bundle. All right, so now I'm just gonna put this in the microwave.
You don't want to put the burger in there first?
Why would I put the burger in the microwave?
Because it's gonna stick to the bun and then you can't take it off.
Do you know you're wrong, or do I need to explain to you why you're wrong? I learned yesterday that microwaves operate through the vibration of liquid. And so it may or may not be cancerous after all.
May or may not.
May or may not. This is heated up a little bit because I like my buns hot, and I probably shouldn't grab this with my bare hands. I did, and it hurt really bad.
It looks really not appetizing right now at all.
Yeah, it looks kind of like discount burger, but we're gonna put a little ketchup. I sound a little bit not straight, but that kind of makes sense.
Sounds like you are a little bit. You're a lot of it, not straight.
Put just a smidge. It's actually not a smidge, it's like a
pile of lettuce. You don't do mustard?
Gonna do mustard, sweetie.
I would just think you put that on before, you know, the lettuce.
And then put on the mustard, just in case, you know, you've never been an American before. This is
Oh God.
Don't oh God me, this is the most delicious on there.
Just for clarification, this is not how I would make a burger, because I care how my food looks.
Alright, now we need to cut tomato.
Well, why don't you use a cutting board?
I need to use cutting board, the counter is a cutting board.
And why do we have cutting boards?
There's no real point. So now we have the complete burger.
I think your fries are done too.
Now don't grab it with your bare hand.
I would say I'm smarter than that, but I've actually done that a few times, so.
You know, human after all. Those look good. Nice and ready for my transformation. I say I'm gonna transform these because they're not gonna look the same in a few hours. You know what I mean?
You're outwinded. Dude.
And that's why you don't use aluminum foil. You gotta use a no-stick pan.
Or I don't know, you can use a spatula.
Look, perfect execution. I got everything on there.
Everything
no
on.
spillage.
Yep.
Looks totally great.
Yep.
Gordon Ramsay, here I come. All right, so now let's do a photo shoot.
Photo shoot. Of the burger or of you with the burger?
Oh, baby. Look at that. The best burger ever made. And we can get a top down. Oh, boy. Yummy, yum. If you guys are hungry, this is killing you. Look at the beautiful fries and the beautiful veggie burger.
I'm not having one because I have a stomachache and I'm not hungry. But it's completely, I actually think it's vegan, right?
Maybe.
Stop.
If Beyond Burgers are vegan, then yeah, this is vegan.
And it has vegan cheese.
All right, here's the bite of the burger. Let's see if it's actually tasty or if I screwed up. It's lit. I might say it's the best.
Is it beyond?
I made the top a little too crispy. But other than that, it's the best burger ever made.
Ever made.
Yeah.
In the history of
Maybe if
ever.
I added a little veggies. Google veggies, guys. It would really make a burger better.
If you like mayonnaise on a burger, which I do not. So that's how you make a veggie burger.
One of the best burgers ever.
I thought it was the best burger.
Best burger. I don't know, man. I'm not ranking them right in my head. Say hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Can we get a real burger now? I'm just kidding.